Hello and welcome to SKTV News. You're watching Afternoon English News with Himavati Kumbantabam. First, the headlines. BJP MLAs return home from New Delhi with hope after assurance from central leaders on formation of popular government in the state. Manipur Commerce and Industry Secretary Horokcham Anil calls for collective efforts among academicians and policymakers to revive state's ailing economy. And Manipur government bans 2 cough syrup brands citing diethylene glycol contamination, urges distributors, pharmacies and retailers to withdraw affected batches. Now let's take a look at the news in detail. BJP Manipur Pradesh MLAs who camped in New Delhi for the past few days have returned to Imphal following assurances from the party's central leadership on formation of a popular government in the state. The MLAs who returned include Govindas Kontaujam, Dr. Sapam Ranjan, Haikam Dingo, Karam Sham and KH Joykisan. Speaking to media at Imphal Airport, Langthabal MLA Karam Sham stated that BJP National General Secretary Organization BL Santosh reportedly assured the BJP MLA delegation that he would visit Manipur before the commencement of Bihar Assembly elections slated to be held on November 6 to review the situation and initiate necessary steps towards government formation. MLA Govindas Kontaujam and Dr. Sapam Ranjan also expressed hope for early restoration of a popular government in the state. It may be mentioned that the team met BJP Northeast in charge Dr. Sambit Patra on October 8, followed by a meeting with BL Santosh on October 10. According to the MLAs, the assurance from the party's organizational head marks a significant breakthrough with positive developments expected soon. He added that the delegation also plans to meet BJP National President JP Nadda, though the date is yet to be finalized. The delegation clarified that this visit was strictly at the party level and no appointment was sought with Prime Minister Narendra Modi or Home Minister Amit Shah. Some of the MLAs have returned to Imphal today while a few remain in Delhi for personal reasons and are expected to return in a day or two. It may be recalled that President's rule was imposed in Manipur on February 13 following the resignation of N. Biren Singh on February 9. With 8 months under central rule, demands for a popular government have been mounting across the state.
No, that already our spokesperson, Mr. Imphal, has already released a press statement. We don't have anything to say beyond that. So, the government pressure to the government Sambiro, the government ceremony, assurance. The Naloji Adu open the Sugan Bandi under the Summit Patazu, Bill Santos, almost November Manunga. Leadership is the
Manipur Global Buyers and Sellers Summit 2025 concluded at City Convention Center in Palace Compound today. Closing function was graced by Arunachal Pradesh MLA Toko Tatung, Chairman cum CMD of Babina Group of Companies, Dr. Dubli, and Director of Trade, Commerce and Industries, Yumnam Robita, as the main dignitaries. Notably, Manipur Governor Ajay Kumar Bhala inaugurated the 2-day summit, which was organized on the theme Bridging Business Sans Border under RAMP scheme. The event aims to foster medical institution, hospital, industry, IT and service sectors in the state, besides exploring international markets for selling local products. Speaking at the closing function, Manipur Commerce and Industry Secretary Horokcham Anil emphasized Manipur as a connecting point between India and Southeast Asia. He also stressed on the need for making collective efforts between the academicians and policy makers in reviving the state's economy, which has been severely affected by the ongoing crisis. Manipur Commerce and Industry President Dr. Basudev maintained that the summit aims to bring international market exposure for local products. Days after Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan reported death of at least 23 children due to consumption of contaminated cough syrup, Manipur government has banned two brands of cough syrup, namely Relife and Fresh TR. In an official statement, the Drugs Control Administration, under the Directorate of Health Services, issued a public alert warning consumers, retailers and healthcare providers against the purchase and use of the adulterate syrups, Relife and Fresh TR, bought manufactured in Gujarat. The Drugs Control Administration has also warned consumers, retailers and healthcare providers against purchasing or using these two cough syrup brands. According to the statement, reports from the Madhya Pradesh Government Drug Testing Laboratory confirmed that both syrups manufactured in Gujarat were contaminated with diethylene glycol, a dangerous industrial solvent known to cause acute poisoning, kidney failure and even death. The Drugs Control Department has ordered all distributors, pharmacies and retailers in Manipur to withdraw the affected batches from sale and report compliance immediately. Health officials have intensified surveillance across medical stores and hospitals to ensure the products are removed from circulation. Meanwhile, healthcare providers have been urged to remain vigilant for potential cases of diethylene glycol poisoning among patients who may have consumed the syrups. Census Operation Government of Manipur Director T.H. Chitra underlined the importance of supporting workers and laborers in uplifting the society. She was speaking at the inaugural function of Rural Roots Market, which is being hosted by Kaifadaba Women Multipurpose Cooperative Society Limited in collaboration with Ita Women Multipurpose Cooperative Society Limited, Thaungambi Women Multipurpose Cooperative Limited and Kanglei Hiai Women Multipurpose Cooperative Limited at Chingaring Tejpur, Yaifa Lanjing Kanglup Ground under the aegis of Rural Development and Panchayat Raj, Manipur State Rural Livelihoods Mission. Infhal's Deputy Commissioner Dr. Nivedita Larinlakpam, Skill, Labour, Employment and Entrepreneurship, Government of Manipur Secretary and Bandana also attended the function as main dignitaries. Speaking further, Director Chitra acknowledged the success of hard-working workers and people in the state and added that Imphal district is leading the state in production of successful self-help groups.
Aina mayam da hajeni badi maruina self-help group ki grassroots level da yamna choba thodang lawdana la ba hujik so hena matam gi skill ko sagi mari lena ba authority gi makha da department na matam training su fazana sendi na sai thambi khre aduna do training sing si de tawdana skill je hena develop tawdana matam gi ho wala ka sing si da kari lamdam siga susana ba pai ba self help group si hena sa khat ba kari to ba ya ba si hai si mari lena ba mayam khana nei na biraga ngasi gi excitement jo khoi le ni da si aduga excitement in a nender amatung da khoi le phida ai di excitement do lower ba matung da su khoi gi self help group se ji ngasi market hang da si ga loina na yamna hena chakhat pa self help group si oina na ba gi beneficiary sing da maroina akhoi gi long sing gi sin pham da lai ba sing chita to bi ga ba sing do puchel seng na makhoi ga di communication gap later na apung phana pa phona bi raga ai ba any organization or the self help group or madu akhoi gi sustain tawna na ba du madu salaina ba gi lambi da pro kadori.
Meanwhile, Infhal's Deputy Commissioner Dr. Nivedita asked self-help groups to strive towards meeting the demands of the public. He also called for coexistence among self-help groups and MSRLM.
MSRLM we will still continue asking madam support from MSRLM. See the temporary structures in madam. Now we wanted to have a permanent structure in the form of rural hub, so that we have a permanent structure. Aduga basically market says like the permanent structure nutigi thamba nutigi market oiba khang da ila thamba ka nutigi market ko gasana ba degi ai se lai ku me amsina su nutigi thamba da mai thamba ba ki sima rural hub ma ai most of the day, support of
Manipur Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla and ex-Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren extended greetings on the occasion of International Day of the Girl Child. In a post on X, Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla wrote, "On International Day of the Girl Child, we celebrate the strength, resilience and limitless potential of every girl. In Manipur, women have long been at the forefront of social change, cultural preservation and national pride, from their leadership in community life to their exceptional achievements in sports, arts and public sector. Their contributions continue to inspire generations and bring honor to the state, the nation and the world." In his message, the governor urged to reaffirm collective resolve to ensure that every girl is empowered with education, equal opportunity and respect so that she may grow, lead and shape a brighter tomorrow. Meanwhile, ex-Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren also extended greetings and asserted that the day serves as a powerful reminder of collective responsibility to empower, protect and uplift the girl child. And Biren also appealed to reaffirm commitment towards ensuring gender equality and building a society where girls can truly shine. Department of Sports Psychology, National Sports University, Imphal organized a program in connection with World Mental Health Day at Front Administrative Block of National Sports University in Kumanlampak Sports Complex today. Vice Chancellor of National Sports University, Dr. Shyam Sundar Rath, renowned psychiatrist Dr. R.K. Lenin, Registrar of the University, Dr. L. Dibamani, along with other officials attended the program. Speaking in the program, Dr. R.K. Lenin outlined that mental health needs treatment, just like it is required for physical health. He further stressed on the need to take help from psychiatrists without any stigmatization. Speaking further, Dr. Lenin also highlighted various aspects to keep our mental health in good state.
The prevention stage, and they have also escaped the secondary prevention, means early detection and early treatment. They have become full-blown mentally ill persons. Their functions must be disturbed. They cannot continue their duties. Then also they will keep up. We are having the rehabilitation centers to reintegrate them with the community again. So from life to day, or from beginning to end, we have different contributions in the society. That is not aware by many of us. So today is the day we would like to highlight these are the areas that the general experts can contribute in the development of our society.
Rongmei Naga Council Manipur RNCM reaffirmed its opposition to the notification dated the 18th September 2025 by the Department of Land Resources, Government of Manipur regarding the procedure for sale, purchase and registration of land across the state. In a statement issued by RNCM Publicity Information Secretary Absalom Riame, the council endorsed the earlier stand of United Naga Council, terming the government's move as unconstitutional and a direct violation of Article 371C of the Indian Constitution, which safeguards the interest of tribal communities in the hill areas of Manipur. RNCM strongly appealed concerned authorities to expedite the process of nullifying the notification, asserting that the notification undermines the autonomy of Hill Areas Committee (HAC) and bypasses the mandatory consultation required under existing laws, including Village Authority Act 1956, the 27th Amendment Act 1971 and District Council Act 1971. The council described the notification as an attempt to suppress minority rights and erode the traditional landholding system of hill tribes. Extending appreciation to Hill Areas Committee Chairman Dinganglung Gangmei for denouncing the notification, RNCM reaffirmed its commitment to defend the rights of Rongmei and other hill communities with pride and dignity. (112) Battalion of CRPF Kangpokpi organized a Fit India Freedom Run 6.0 from main gate of 112 Battalion headquarters in Kangpokpi and traversed in front of Kangpokpi Police Station before culminating at the same starting point. About 100 participants, including local boys and girls, Police personnel, officers and personnel of 112 Battalion CRPF took part in the run. This was organized as part of nationwide campaign to promote cleanliness and health through physical activities like running and cycling. Manipur Women's Federation MWF has formed a new executive body to lead the organization's activities and initiatives for the upcoming term. The decision was taken during its recent general body meeting held in Imphal. According to a press statement issued by MWF Secretary General Tensubam Rani, the newly constituted team comprises 13 executive members and 4 advisors representing women leaders from diverse fields committed to advancing the Federation's vision of women's empowerment and gender equality in Manipur. The Kelambam Dimona has been appointed as president, with Thiam Nandini and Haikrujam Bimola as vice presidents. Tensubam Rani takes charge as Secretary General, while Ningthaukhongjam Rita and Fritz Sabam Ellis have been named Secretary Organization and Secretary Finance respectively. The advisory panel includes Laishram Mema, Thoidingjam Manihar, BM Yaima Shah and Angom Punil Kumar. The Federation expressed confidence that a newly elected team will work collectively to strengthen MWF's role in addressing key social issues, advocating for women's rights and empowering women at all levels across the state. 62nd Foundation Day celebration of Sawongbung Sangeet Samaj SSS was held at its premises today. The function was attended by Lamlai AC MLA KH Bomcha, SSS President KH Samu and several representatives of local bodies. During the program, artists of SSS showcased various cultural items including Maibi Jagoi, Thogal Jagoi and Duhar Cholo. Speaking at the function, ex-chairperson of the Administrative Committee, Sombum GP and Dhaneshwar, gave assurance to repair the auditorium of SSS before its next Foundation Day. Ex-Secretary L. Maipag also emphasized the significance of the Cultural Institute, stating that it plays an important role in promoting arts and culture in Lamlai, Khundrangpam and Khurai constituencies. Now, before we wrap up, let's take a quick look at the headlines once again. BJP MLAs returned home from New Delhi with hope after assurance from central leaders on formation of popular government in the state. Manipur Commerce and Industry Secretary Haurokcham Anil calls for collective efforts among academicians and policy makers to revive the state's ailing economy. And Manipur government bans 2 cough syrup brands citing diethylene glycol contamination, urges distributors, pharmacies and retailers to withdraw affected batches. Now that's all we have for today's afternoon English news. Thank you for watching SKTV. Keep watching for more news and updates. Have a good day.